Hello guys, this is Reutman. Thank you for watching this video. Today we will talk about the building Kubernetes cluster with Kubeadm. We also will do this with hands-on in this video, and I wait to enjoy the video. The lab is about the how we will implement the Kubernetes cluster with Kubeadm and connect the 3 nodes and 1 master. And for do this, we will install the Docker in all the 3 nodes, and we will install also Kubeadm, Kubelet, and Kubectl. After we will bootstrap the cluster on the Kube master node and join the Kube node workers nodes in this cluster master. And in final, we will set up the network with flannel. And this will create an environment for us install any application what you need. For example, you have a team and you are ready for deploying the first version, and they are new online from store, and the team anticipate the potential for the high degree of the customer usage after deployment, and they want to make use of the Kubernetes in order to enable the fast and quick response to change needs. And because this we will install this Kubernetes cluster. I hope you enjoy this video, and follow me for this video now. First of everything, the scenario we already talked about. Now we will install using SSH in your server. You need to have a server. We will install this server now. The first server will be your master. Okay, and we will SSH in this was a master. Okay, just will put here my login, the password. Okay, now we are inside of your server. For we install the Docker, first we need to install the Docker GPG key for using the Docker repository after, and install all the repositories of Docker. And for do this, we need to install you can use curl -fsl and httpd, and you install the docker v2 gpd docker and give the command for the key. Okay, now we will do the repository. This you can find in the Docker, these commands. Okay, great. Installing the package of the Docker. Just come on, give one update. Oh, great. Now we just will install the Docker. You can get this command here in the Docker. I just give you, I just put the Docker the version I need. I put one version, and I will handle this version. I will hold this version, giving this command sudo apt-mark hold docker. Okay, we installed already Docker, and just to verify, you can give this command here, sudo systemctl status docker. It's great, it's running. This same commands you need to give in your nodes, worker nodes. And for do this, you need to also access your. Okay. I just will access and give SSH and give the same commands in the others. Server and install. I just will access here. install also Docker on the both. Okay, great. I have installed it already in the others. Now we're back to the master. And for now, we need to install also Kubeadm, Kubelet, and Kubectl. And for do this, you need to also crawl the Kubernetes GPG for install the for we install also the packages and repositories. And for this, we give it this command here. Right, and we just get this repository here. Right. And we update the packages. And install the Kubelet, Kubeadm, and Kubectl. Great. We just will hold these versions after install. And the same we will install for the others. We will install this in the others also. The same commands for all. And just hold the versions. So the mark hold Kubelet, Kubectl. We hold on all. Great. Now we will bootstrap the cluster and the node, and in this node master, and this will create a master node for we command the others also. And for do this, we need to give this command here. This will clean the sphere. So we Kubeadm insert pod network seed, and we put the your IP, and you have some seconds, 4 minutes, not so much. And when it's done, we will set up the local config to config, and finish the installation here. This will take some minutes. Okay, great, we finished. Now here you can see for start use the cluster, you need to run the follow as a regular user. And we need to run this command here. And this command also. This command here will copy information from the other page, and this for giving permissions. Great, we're done. Now after do this, we can see which kind of Kubectl version we have here. Okay. Kubectl version. Here is the client version and server version. Great. And here we have the Kubeadm to join. This command we use it to join the others. server. Then we need to copy this. Just when you copy, you in the final here, you need to take out the space and put sudo and before all. Okay, for first node already. As for reconfig, for example here, if we just get Kubectl nodes, just to see how many nodes are in this master. We just put Kubectl nodes. I just put one now. They are not ready yet because I don't install the network. In this case, the master is installed one. I will install the other now. This is in the other server. I just copy the, and you can install how much you need and how much service you need. Great. Now, just finish the install, waiting to Kubelet, perform the Bootstrap. Okay, install already. Now we back to the master, and we will make the same commands and see how many nodes. Now we have 3 nodes here. And with these, we can see we have 3 nodes. They are not head yet because we don't install the network. And this is the last step to install the network. And great. Now we install the network. Step custom and network. Let me see. We can use the great. Now we will just install the. After this, we already have the Bootstrap. We just will join. We will join this networking in the master by set up the cluster flannel. And for do this, we need to turn on your IP in the bridge calls and in the all the 3 nodes. And for do this, you use this command now. Okay. Give the command in others also. Right. And sudo ctlp also. Wait. Right. Now we need to run only in the kube master node this code. Okay. Great. Now we created is installed in Spanner and we create network. And one is not ready yet, but will be read. Not red. One is red. It will read in some second. Okay, status now of the 3 nodes, it's ready. Now we can start to use the nodes. We can use the pod and install your container in this networking of Kubernetes using the cluster with Kubeadm. I wait you enjoyed this video, and if you have some comment and want to know something, you can comment below. And in the next video, I will talk about how we can install and deploy some applications in the Kubernetes and use the nodes, and also use the pods, and understand a little bit more about the networking of the Kubernetes. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day or night. Bye bye.